As you can see, this is the €1 bar, and I think it's quite popular for the young people in Kyiv. Let's go and check about this city. It's literally a winter season, and when you're walking on the street of Kyiv, you are just walking on the ice, and it's quite slippery and dangerous. You might fall down and hurt your back. So this man is trying to clean out the ice on the road. I'm currently walking to Kyiv National Linguistic University from Embassy of Belarus, and let's keep going and have a look for the street view of Kyiv. As you can see, we passed by a Orthodox church. Let's go and check out the church. In front of us is the St. Vladimir Cathedral. Let's go and check it out. This is the church itself, the cathedral. And this is the Bible of Orthodox. This is like a typical electrical bus in Kyiv. As you can see, this is Taras Shevchenko Park at the left hand side, and the right hand side, the red building is Taras Shevchenko National University. Let's go and check it out. In front of us is the St. Nicholas Catholic Cathedral.